Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up React.js on Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. The first step is to install Visual Studio Code on your system. After that, you can install Node.js, which will allow you to create and run your programs within VS Code. Let me guide you through the process of installing VS Code. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for VS Code download. You'll see the official website in the search results. Click on that link and it will redirect you to the download page. Once there, you'll notice different options based on your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I'll select the corresponding option by clicking the download button. The download process will start, and once it's complete, you can proceed by clicking on the downloaded extension file. A setup wizard will appear, asking you to agree to the license terms. Accept the terms by selecting I accept and then click the Next button. You'll see an option to choose the installation location, which you can leave as default, and continue by clicking Next. The setup will also offer to create a Start menu shortcut for VS Code. Click Next to proceed. If you want to add a desktop shortcut or integrate VS Code with the right-click context menu, you can select those options before clicking Next again. Finally, click the Install button to start the installation. Once the process is complete, move on to the second step, which is installing Node.js. Again, open your browser and search for Node.js download. Click on the official website, which will direct you to its download page. You'll see various options, including the latest version and the long-term support version. I recommend selecting the LTS version for stability. Choose your operating system, in this case, Windows 64-bit, and click the download button. Once the download is complete, open the .msi file to begin the installation. The setup wizard will guide you through the process. Start by clicking Next on the welcome screen. After accepting the license agreement, click Next again. The installation folder will be displayed. You can leave it as default and continue by clicking Next. The setup will also offer the option to install additional tools like Chocolatey, which you can skip by clicking Next. Finally, click the Install button to begin the installation. Once it's finished, click Finish to complete the process. To verify that Node.js has been installed successfully, open the command prompt by typing cmd in the search box and hitting Enter. In the command prompt, type node ---- version to check if Node.js is installed correctly. If you see the version number displayed, it means the installation was successful. Now that both VS Code and Node.js are installed, you can start creating your React project. Open VS Code and go to the File menu. Select Open Folder. Browse to a directory where you want to create your project and click Open Folder. Once the folder is open, go to the View menu and select Terminal to open the integrated terminal. In the terminal, first, check if Node.js is working by typing node-v and npm-v. If both commands return version numbers, Node.js is functioning correctly. Next, use the npx tool to create a new React project by typing npx space create-react-app project name, replacing project name with your desired project name. The tool will then create your React project, which may take a few minutes. After the setup is complete, you'll see some instructions to navigate to your project directory. Type cd project name and press Enter to move into your project folder. To start the development server, type npm start and hit Enter. The server will start and your browser will open, displaying your new React app. You can now start modifying the code. In VS Code, expand the project folder in the Explorer panel, navigate to src, and open the app.js file. This is where you can edit the code to customize your application. For instance, you might delete the existing code inside the return statement and replace it with a simple message inside an h1 tag. Once you've made your changes, save the file and go back to your browser to see the updated output. This process covers the installation of VS Code, Node.js, and how to create and run a React project within VS Code. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.